Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Kisses first,
Kisses
play
first.
later. He loves you.
I'll have too.
Oh, tiramisu. Okay, put the puppy down. We're trying to take a video so people can see the puppy.
You're a better chew toy, apparently.
Apparently. Hey, Rosie, you really need to get in there and play with the puppy. Go.
Go play.
So we can see how he plays with other animals. Rosie, go play with the puppy. I don't know why she's all of a sudden fascinated with the window. Zach, have a seat. Oh, easy, easy.
Oh, Tugger.
Katie. Hey, Zach. Zachary, I'm trying to take a video. Can you stop yelling? And move out of the middle. Thank you. Go to the side. Thanks. There, now we can see the puppy.
Puppy, puppy.
There you go. Careful, don't pull too hard.
No, what's me? Ow.
He likes you.
Ow.
You all right?